Great jobs.
Okay.
Everybody else? Okay guys, should please to Finland. Take the train.
Turntable moving.
Roger.
Control, excellence.
Yeah, go ahead.
Will you watch the angle now, or do I watch that, or what?
No, you keep an eye on it, please.
Can you say that again, please?
You keep an eye on it, same limitations as before.
Okay, then I have to sort of speed up a bit then. Is that okay for you?
It's okay, Dave, no problem.
Okay. Keep slow, I need to speed up more to pick the angle more up.
Okay, I'll come to a stop with it eventually if that's okay.
Well, at the moment we are offshore Sweden, close to ABB's cable factory, where they make the high voltage power cables, offshore power cables. So at this time we've been through a series of trials on the ship. We've had our crane trials, offshore crane trials, and we've had DP trials on the ship. So we are now at the end of the delivery program for the ship. And that includes a cable trial, cable lay trial, where we will lay power cables in all the modes that this ship is designed to do. So that means utilizing both of our turntables. Laying cables simultaneously. 3 cables at a time, 2 power cables and a fiber optic cable bundled together by a separate bundling machine. So we're trying that now. We're also trying jointing operations of power cables, several types of jointing operations. typically a dual lay operation, which is quite manpower intensive, where we have a turntable or carousel operator. He operates the turning speed of the turntable, just keeping sure at all times that the catenary of the cable or the bend of the cable is within the allowed parameters. Further down the line, the horizontal lay system operator runs the main tensioners. His job is also to keep an eye on the bend of the cable, which is the most important part. So he has an indicator showing him where the angle of the cable leaving the seabed, leaving the ship, and also the tension in the cable. And he adjusts the speed of cable to continuously control that curve so that it's within the parameters. At the same time as this, the ship is on DP following a predefined route and is also adjusting its speed to match the cable speed. Typical cable speed, on this trial we're doing it slow and easy, so it's 6 to 8 meters per minute. In an actual project our average speed is probably around 12 meters per minute. And we're laying projects where we have 160 kilometers of cable, so it's a long operation. The last part in the set of operators is the ROV, which keeps an eye on where the cable touches the seabed. That the signal from the ROV, the position signal from the ROV, is sent to the ship, and the ship can calculate the cable angle based on the ROV's position. So that's also an important part of it.
Okay guys, if we can come to a control, I'll stop until I get guys to the castle.
Well, we're talking now. What's up?
Hold stop on the GIS. Cable stop.
020.
The ROV, the remotely operated vehicle, is another piece of the jigsaw in the installation of the cable. The ROV sits on the seabed and it sits normally down at touchdown, and it is monitoring the touchdown of the cable as the vessel moves, laying the cable, ensuring that the cable doesn't land on any rocks. We use our obstacle avoidance sonar. We're constantly scanning ahead of the cable lay, 30 to 40 meters. Any obstacles, we inform the bridge.
And come to a slow stop.
Okay, I'm coming to a stop.
Yeah, for the next 15 meters.
And therefore the operations manager will step the vessel either port or starboard to avoid the obstacle.
Okay, we'll move in. Roger.
Yeah, you can move at 3 meters a minute in
Okay, Mark, just a little bit quicker.
320.
320, 3 meters on the speed.
And heading at 350.
350 on heading.
So basically we're preparing and training for our forthcoming projects, and the first project we have will probably do the same thing as we do. We're trying to do all the operations that project will see and be as prepared as we can on that.